Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner. Today I have got a unbagging from Fansells. And I just want to say thank you to Fansells for sending these to me to share with everyone, because there is one product in here that I am super excited to look at and to share with all of y'all, and I can't wait to do it. So we're just going to go ahead and get this stuff out. Alright. So this first item is it's a pearl painting, because those are very popular now. And the ones that I have done, I have really enjoyed them. So with this kit, you get a standard toolkit, green boat, some bags, wax, and a pen. There's your pearls. We're going to look at that here in just a second. So this is a partial just kind of get it rounded out a little bit. So, ooh, that is some thick plastic. So, again, this is a pearl. This is a 25 by 25. I really do like this size because they're quick and frameable. So, you could run to the Dollar Tree, get a cheap frame, throw this in there, stick it on the wall, and you have got a framed piece of artwork. So this has got 3 pearls. They're all going to be white, but they're 3 different sizes. So as you can see, everything is very clear. I cannot get over how thick that plastic is. Very sticky. So let's just go ahead and look at the size of the pearls. Now, this is just called a pearl butterfly, and it was $4.05 from Fansells. And y'all know, out of all of the companies, Fansells has got to be my favorite company. So here are the small, yep, those are all number 1s. You got 4 bags of the number 1. You see, they're a little small. And I'm not seeing any, like, a lot of that powdery dust stuff. And I'm not seeing really any static. There may be a little bit, but not much. Okay, and then on the number 2s, looks like we have got 3 bags of number 2. And then that leaves us with 5 bags of number 3s. And they all look pretty good. I'm not seeing anything broken or anything in it. So yeah, those look really good. Now, if I can just... oh, I can never put these things back like they go. I don't know why I have such an issue, y'all. But I do. Oh, my Jesus. Okay. Okay, here we go. We're just... okay. There we go. Got it. Got it good enough anyway. So I will leave a link to these products in my description box so that y'all can check them out. So here is another pearl painting. This canvas is a little flimsier, or I guess you could say it's more malleable than this one. This one's kind of a thicker. This one feels like more like material. So again, you get standard toolkit, and this is the one that I chose. I just thought it was very pretty. Now, after I do the video, I will get my little squeegee thingamabob out, and I will straighten these and flatten them a little bit better. But for the video and time, we'll just look at it like this. So this is a 30 by 40. This has got 10 colors, or 10 pearls. Oh, I do see a crystal in there, though. There's a couple crystals. Alright, that's fine. Look at that. Look at how big those are. I'm going to assume that they're the number 5s. Alright. So, yeah. We have got 2 big bags of clear crystals. And then we got some pearls. Look at that. That is really pretty. And then a couple more crystals. Alright. Okay. Good enough. Maybe. Okay. So you can see, because I'm sure that the clear crystals are going to go all around and probably up here. And then you've got the green and those gold or red. And then the pearls. So this one is just called Pearl Owl. And this one was $4.72. Not bad at all. Like I said, out of all the companies, I think Fansells has got the best prices. They have got so many to choose from. Not only do they have diamond paintings, but they also have cross stitch and paint by number and all the things. Tools, all the things. So this is what I am really, really excited about. So this is in a big box. And we're going to open this up. Ooh, I'm excited. Alright, let me turn it over so I don't dump anything out. That's nice that they put a piece of styrofoam in there. So here is your toolkit, and these little things right here are, I'm not exactly sure how you use these, just to be terribly honest. But I believe they go on here, and then you stick them in the wall for them to hang. So this is what I chose. Now, this is called Purple Vace. That is what it's called. And this, y'all, is a button painting. I seen this, and I was like, oh, I have got to try that, because that is so cool, so different. But look, y'all, they're little buttons. How adorable are the buttons? Oh, we got a button over here where it don't go. But how adorable are the buttons? Those are so pretty. And then you have got the colored pearls. And then there's a couple of the special shapes. And this green pearl is so pretty. And then you've got some more little purple buttons down here. This is not adorable. Okay, so this has got a plastic over it. And let's see. They staple the plastic in here so it doesn't mess up and, you know, come undone when they stick it in the box. But this is so clear. And you can see all the little buttons are going to go on the flower petals and in the vase. Oh my Lord. This, y'all, I am going to do this, and then I will come back in a different video and show y'all what this looks like completed. Because this is really cool. And this is pre-framed on a piece, like, this is wood. The frame itself is wood, and then the image is on like this, I can't think of what this is called, but it's like it's not wood, but it's almost like a real thick cardboard, but it's, I mean, you can hear it's hard. And then they just stretch the canvas over it. But this is so cool. Now, this again is called Purple Vase. This was $18.93. Which I think is a great deal for something like this. Pre-framed. They give you all the stuff you need to mount it and all that good stuff. So, I definitely am fixing to do this one, like I said, and then I'm going to come back in a different video and show y'all what this looks like completed. So, make sure y'all check out the description box, because that's where all the links are going to be for these products. I can't remember if I have a discount code or not. I don't make any kind of profit off the discount codes. They're strictly there for customer appreciation, I guess. So yeah. I cannot wait to do this. This is going to be so neat. So, y'all, let me know, have y'all ever done one of these that is a button painting? I don't know who comes up with this stuff, but it is just so neat. Now, they do have, I think there was like 4 or 5 different ones to choose from. And, of course, y'all know me. I like purple. So, I chose this one because of the purple background. And because it seemed like to me there was more buttons in this one than the other ones. But there are different ones to choose from. I think there is one that looked like a vase with sunflowers in it. I mean, there was just different ones to choose from. So you don't have to get this one, but you can follow the link and then choose which one you want. But if you you look in there, it's listed as button paintings. Okay, so all right, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until my next one, I will see you guys later. Bye, y'all.